Hello YouTube, this is our first video. So basically for this video we are going to go into depth with doing her brows. I started by actually brushing the brow down to the side so that all of her imperfections can show before I begin, because no brow is ever the same. So for hers they are pretty much even for the most part, except the ends of this brow, she doesn't have much movement, and then also the arch placement of the left brow is really different than the right one. But arch placement is something that takes a lot of time. Before trimming, I am just going to start with my oil. My hands are sanitized, I promise. I just sanitized my hands right before this video. Okay, love, we're gonna go ahead and start with the left brow. Go ahead and pull it up and down. So if you zoom in onto this part of her brow, after brushing it, her line isn't straight, so I have to go back through one more time. Go ahead and pull. Okay, love, let go. So before trimming, I am going to highlight her brow right underneath. Okay, I know you're about to cry. Go ahead and look up. Let me just wipe you. Perfect. So if I was to fill in, I would fill in everything above the white line. So with the hairs that are sticking up, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it right down so that way they're not flying up. So pretty and subtle. And we're going to go ahead and move to the right brow.